Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming engineers who foster programming and innovation arrangements internationally. It makes a worldwide market for processing power, and the registering assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and offbeat assignment execution. Adaptable instruments assist the designers with making and disseminate and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This large number of administrations are accessible for a charge nearly not as much as contenders. The Golem biological system expects to give programming improvement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the eventual fate of web blockchain accessible and available for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem processing plant. It was helped to establish by Julian Ostowski, Andrzej Regulski, Piotr Janiuk, Alexandra Skripchak. The organization sent off in 2018, and the ICO cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of cryptographic money was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. What's more, GNT displays an unexpected convention to $1, which was astounding, and an overbought position for another digital currency around then. The environment incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem application vault, requesters, and suppliers. Golem Undertaking's local coin is called GLM, which was relocated from GNT. Highlights of Golem, GLM. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits distributed networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is described by availability, open access, restriction-safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless biological system is a help for programming engineers. SDK assists with holding their inventiveness and grandstand ability to the world. The figuring power can be pondered as the two frameworks as a help and programming as a help. The installment frameworks are effectively available, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they reported the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client use administration. The organization has presented Thorg, the main mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more elevated level local area commitment. Golem leads a prize administration program often, which guarantees constructing an immense client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been separated into brass, clay, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with an undertaking called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem put stock in the chances of WEB3 and cooperated with Horde, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better improvements in the framework. It's gone on up degree in innovation norms, gives programming designers to track and run with the product advancement world. GNT to GLM migration. Golem network token GNT is relocated into GLM. GNT was the previous badge of the Golem network, which has begun to move into GLM toward the finish of 2020. GLM is an ERC20 token. Its critical exchange costs have applied the expense of relocation exchanges in Ethereum on the grounds that Golem's new exchange network is developed in Ethereum Layer 2. In any case, this movement cycle is going on. The explanation for the relocation is that the coin sent off in 2016 ERC20 token was very little well known. ERC20 is currently uninhibitedly open in Layer 2, DeFi, and decentralized trades. Expanded acknowledgement, usability, and adaptability of ERC20 have caused Golem to relocate into another coin. There are predominantly three choices for movement. First is relocating with the web use of Golem called MetaMask. The second is relocation from the Golem application, assuming you have an extra Ethereum account. The third is bringing in Golem keys to MetaMask. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a circling supply of 1 billion GLM. At present, the vast majority of the computerized coins are exchanging red and level after a gigantic convention. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half year and 3% pessimism last week. Despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the unequaled high of GLM on Golem cost expectation, it ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are exceptionally demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has tremendous development potential. Specialized analysis of Golem. The Golem cost today is around $0.3995 and it confronted a slight rectification with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The most extreme cost as of now is enrolled at $0.437 and the base cost is $0.3985. The unequaled excessive cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0.008797, which was in 2016. Verifiable information and the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month diagram from 2018 to 2022, Golem, GLM, cost has on a round-based development, executing little worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upturn which wound up at a cost of $0.787 from 76 cents low. Then after a cost remedy on Golem tokens took support at $0.507 with a morning star development. In any case, the upturn couldn't be maintained and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last hardly any exchanging meetings. Breaking down the obstruction and backing levels on the day-to-day diagram, the following opposition level is $0.490. On the off chance that GLM price can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the opposition level at $0.604. The prompt help level is $0.348 and the significant help level is $0.272. Dread and insatiability record is 45. Significant specialized pointers for momentary cost expectations on the day-to-day graph information relative strength index RSI is 35.13. MACD line is underneath the signal line. The cost of Golem is under 20 EMA, 50 EMA and 200 EMA. In view of specialized examination and GLM cost forecast, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem digital money is decently negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give a legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and dealers can hold on to affirm the pattern over the obstruction level prior to making a transient venture. In view of the close-term Golem gauge, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame on the off chance that no news or digital money market bullishness is supported. Golem price predictions. Golem cost expectations for the future show that a productive venture gives a decent revisitation of the long